Hello everyone, welcome to part 107 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So we finally have completed our login register so far, and now we are going to work on forgot password. Only forgot password have left, and then our login register and forgot password will get completed, and after that we will work on shopping cart page once again with coupon code functionality. Okay, so let's do forgot password now, and this link we are going to update with the URL. So first of all, I'm going to open the login register blade file. So here I am going to update this link. Here I will mention forgot password, not forget password, forgot password. And here I am going to mention the URL for the forgot password. That route we are going to create, and I am going to create this route in my next step. And the route I am going to make it URL forgot password. Okay, forgot hyphen password, like this. Okay, so this route I am going to make here. So I am going to make this route in front. After this one confirm account, I'm going to make this route here. Okay, so see here, this is the front group, and I'm going to add the URL here. But remember, we still need to add the auth group. Okay, so that we can prevent the auth routes from unauthorized access. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in our next video. But right now I am going to add the route for forgot password, and I am going to add the get post route once again. Both I will add both get and post for this one as well. Match get and post. Okay, so here I am going to make it forgot password. You can add slash in the beginning if you want, otherwise it's not required. Forgot password and users controller forgot password, like this. So our route is ready. Now I'm going to create forgot password function in users controller. So I'm going to open user controller at front end, at front folder, not at admin. Okay, so I'm going to create this forgot password function right at the bottom of logout user function. Okay, so here public function forgot password, like this. Okay, so this is the function. Now here we are going to do like this: return view front users forgot underscore password, and this blade file I am going to create under front under users folder. Here I'm going to create this blade file under ecom resources views front, then users, and here I'm going to create the forgot underscore password.blade.php file. In Mac we can create the file like this: services, new terminal, add folder, here touch, and after that that forgot underscore password dot blade dot php, like this. Okay, so this is the file. You can check here. Okay, so I am going to copy this login register, this one in forgot password, and will make changes. So here I'm going to write forgot password, forgot, enter your email. We will write here enter your email to get the new password. Okay, okay, so the user can enter his email ID to get the new password in his email account. Okay, so this is one of the way to get the new password, and other way is to get the confirmation link. Okay, so that that process is little bit complex. With that process we will ask the user for the hint also, and that process will take more time, but I am going to use the simple process here. Okay, so if anyone is interested, then that person can send me message for that more complex process like Gmail and other website use. Okay, so this is the simple process to get the new password uh, in the email. Okay, so this one we are going to do. So here we are writing enter your email to get the new password, and here also we are going to make change. Here I'm going to write like forgot password form, and here forgot password, and only email is required, so we will remove the other fields, and here we are going to type submit. Now we can refresh and we'll check. I'm going to click on forgot password, but here see login hyphen register, some issue is coming to fragment to function. Okay, we can check what issue is coming exactly. Front users forgot password. Okay. Okay, so issue is here. Okay, so I forgot to add the square bracket. Now it will get resolved, and one more issue is here. Okay, so see, silly mistake. Okay, so now it is fine. So don't make these kind of mistakes at your end. Okay, so always avoid such kind of mistakes. So now I will click on forgot password once again, and you can see here forgot password is coming, and here I will also replace the login register with the forgot password as well, and I'm going to replace this one login register, or this one is the forgot password, and I'm going to replace this already registered, no, this one forgot password, and here also forgot password. Okay, so forgot password, enter your email to get the new password, and here the user will enter his email, and here we can simply type must be email, and here I am going to simply add the HTML5 validation, and jQuery validation is not required at all. So we can check the email here. Okay, so here we will add the simple Laravel validation that if email exists only, then the password will go to the email, otherwise the error message will come that the email does not exist. Okay, so that we are going to update this forgot password function, and here I am going to add request $request, and if $request is method post, $data $request all, and here first of all we are going to check the email is coming here. or not. Then we are going to check whether the email exists or not. So I am going to add anything here. Okay, let's see, submit, and see email is coming here. Okay, so now I am going to verify the email, that email exists or not, and for that we can simply check email count here. We can make this variable, and in user table, user model, where email dollar data email, okay, and count to check whether the email exists or not. And if dollar user count equal to 0, it means the email does not exist, so we will send the error message to login register page. Okay, email does not exist. Okay, so this is the message that we are going to display. Session put, we are going to add this message in error message session variable, error message, and here email does not exist. And after that, session, then we are going to forget that success message session. Okay, like if you are putting message in error message, then forget success message. If you are putting message in success message, then forget error message. Okay, so that success message will not get displayed there. Here return redirect back. Now we can try. I am going to hide this one, but before that we need to make sure that here error success message we are displaying, that is fine. Okay, now I'm refreshing, send, and here, okay, user count is having issue here, and here what I have to sorry, email count, now it is fine. And now I'm going to refresh, and we'll see here, email does not exist, error message is coming. Okay, so if we will add some valid email, then no error message will come, and it will go further, and I will just make it echo, it means that email exists. Okay, or simply I can do like this to check email exists. Okay, so let's see, I am going to add some valid email, and we'll try here, submit, and here you can see the email exists message is coming. Okay, so now we are going to add that email. Okay, so we need to reset the password here. Okay, so I'm going to reset the password, and we'll send that password to the user email. So next step is to reset the password, and I will generate the new password here, in fact. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to generate here new password, generate new random password. Okay, generate random password, and I am going to use the $random password function. And here one thing to see, that strrandom don't work in Laravel 6 and later version, Laravel 6, 7, 8, it will not work, and for that we need to add the helpers. And here I am going to check it once, echo die, and here if it will show error, then we are going to add the helper. Let's see, See, it is showing error, call to undefined function. So this error, if you will search here in Google, it will ask you to install that package. Okay, so you need to install that package. Okay, this package you need to install. Composer require Laravel helpers. Okay, so this package is required to install. So you just require to install this package for your project. I will just right click services, new terminal, add folder. You need to do, if you are in Windows, you know how to run the commands for your Laravel project. Okay, right click there, git bash here, or right click or command prompt. You, if you are running your project in command prompt, then you can give this command there in command prompt for your project. Okay, so here I am going to run this one. Composer required Laravel helpers package I am going to install. So after that this issue will not come, it will pick then this str underscore random function. Okay, so in the meantime I can continue with other things. See, after this one I am going to encode this password. Okay, encode secure password. This one I'm going to do. So I'm going to do here $new password. I am going to decrypt. Okay, this random password I am going to decrypt here. After that I am going to update password. Okay, date password. Then in user model, where email email, here I am going to update password. And we are going to update this one with the new password. Okay, so I will also get the username here to show in email. Now we are going to send the email. Okay, so I will do like this: user details. In fact, we can simply add here username, user, select name, where email, $data, email first. Okay, now we are going to send forgot password email, and here $email equal to $data email, that we already know. And after that $name also we require, so I'm going to add user details, sorry, not user details, username, name, and I'm going to make one variable message data, same like we have made earlier for register email. And here I'm going to send email name and password. Okay, so finally we are going to send the email mail send with the mail send function, and here we are going to create this forgot password email in my next step. And here I'm going to send $message data, and this one I'm going to send to the function and dollar message use dollar email dollar message to dollar email subject is new password e-commerce website. Okay, so after sending the email, the last step is redirect to login register page once again. Okay, redirect to login register page. Success message. Okay, so now we will send the message. We will show the message to the user. Okay, we are going to show, please check your email for new password. Okay, so this is the message that we are going to display, and we are going to put this one in session put success message, and this is the message that we are going to put here, and we are going to forget error message, return redirect login register, like this. Okay, so now it's all done. We can see the package also installed now. Now we can try. Let's see that if we able to send the email to the user, and this one we can check once that first of all that the password is updating or not. Okay, so I'm going to click on refresh now, and you can see now it is generating. Now the str underscore random function is working fine. Okay, so now we are going to check this one. So here like this random password str random, we can remove this one. Now we can try. I'm going to refresh once again and see email. Okay, so main thing is that we require to create that forgot password blade file, same like register.blade.php file. Okay, so this one I'm going to make a file save as, and here forgot underscore password.blade.php file, forgot underscore password. See this blade file we are going to create inside the emails folder. Okay, where we have created confirmation.blade.php file, register.blade.php file. Okay, so at the same place we are going to create forgot underscore password.blade.php file, and here we are going to write that dear name. That is fine. Here we can simply add uh, uh, you have requested to recover your password. New password information is as below. New password as below. Okay, you have requested to recover your password. New password is as below, and here we can show the email as well, or only the password. We can show only the password. Okay, password, and here we are going to show the password like this, and we will also try with this password. So let's see. I'm now going to do control refresh and send. See, please check your email for new password. Now it is working fine. Okay, so now once again I'm going to use this one because a lot of time we have done that thing. I'm going to use the amit100@yahoo.com. So let's see what will happen. I'm going to use this one for forgot password. I click on forgot password link and we'll enter amit100@yahoo.com and submit, and let's see what will happen. So now it is showing, please check your email for new password. I am going to open the yahoo.com and we'll check that whether the email for forgot password has come up or not, whether my new password has come up or not. Okay, so let's see here, the email has come up here. Dear Amit, you have requested to recover your password. New password is as below, and this is the password. Okay, so let's see that we able to log in with our new password or not. And Hamid under @yahoo.com, I have put this email ID and I put the new password, and let's see that we able to log in now with the new password. Okay, and if I will try the old password, that is 123556, that will not work. See, this is the new password that will work here. Okay, so if I will put the old password yahoo.com 123456, this will not work at all. Okay, so the new password will work here and we able to reset the password. I hope that all these steps are clear to you, and if you have any queries you can surely ask me. Okay, so from next video we can start work back on card page with the coupon functionality, and we will check out that if anything remaining, that we are going to do that thing as well. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.